All right. This Tech Kid again. This time around, I'm gonna be showing you how you could just save yourself. I mean, all laptop and desktop users, you can just save yourself from insecure websites that can hack your details and your basic information. So, first thing, what you want to do is add this extension to your browser. Any web browser you're using, just add this extension to it. Go to your site button and then input https everywhere. Yeah, we're just gonna enter just that and then click your enter button. Go to the second one. There's EFF. Go to this one that that is mentioned chrome.google.com. https everywhere and then click on it. There goes the extension. Good. So what this does is that it changes, like it is a browser that is, it is an extension created by EFF and then the Tor project. It is an extension that changes this HTTP of websites, which is insecure for every web user, to HTTPS, which is very secure. Yeah, with HTTPS, all your basic information, your credit card details, your passwords are all safe. So what you're gonna do is open this web page and then click on Add Chrome, then Add Extension, and there you go. Extension have been added. Cool. What you wanna do is just, if you wanna add it to the top slide, you're just gonna go HTTP everywhere and then pin. Yeah, there it goes. It shows on top. So you're done. Okay. What you want to do last is just subscribe on Tech Kid.